Welcome inside one of India's most secure money printing facilities, where every note begins its journey.
Security is tight. Only authorized personnel can enter, ensuring complete safety of the printing process.
Every worker goes through strict checks before stepping into the heart of the factory. This is where the magic begins. Hundreds of notes printed with impeccable accuracy every hour. Sheets of specially crafted paper enter the press, ready to be transformed into legal tender. The journey begins with premium cotton paper, carefully selected for durability and texture. Each paper roll is loaded into the press, ensuring smooth feeding without any errors. The watermarking process uses high-precision machines to create unique patterns for each note. Each sheet is checked thoroughly to ensure the watermark is flawless and consistent. After marking, sheets pass through controlled drying chambers, preserving their texture and strength. The heart of the factory comes alive as the main press begins its meticulous work, printing every detail with perfection. The backside is carefully aligned, ensuring every note is flawless and visually distinct. Every letter is scrutinized for clarity, ensuring legibility and consistency across all notes. On the front, intricate patterns and symbols are printed, bringing the currency's identity to life.
Before moving forward, trained workers inspect each sheet, maintaining the highest quality standards.
Security threads are embedded within each note, providing an essential safeguard against counterfeiting. Special inks change color when viewed from different angles, a brilliant anti-counterfeit measure. Each watermark is thoroughly examined to ensure it is clear, aligned, and flawless on every note.
The 17-language panel is carefully checked, highlighting India's linguistic diversity on every note.
Every Indian note carries 17 languages, representing the country's rich linguistic diversity.
Each note is carefully checked to ensure the Hindi and English panels are perfectly aligned.
All 15 additional languages are examined to maintain readability and accuracy. Even the smallest details are double-checked, guaranteeing every note meets strict quality standards. Once verified, the sheets are moved carefully to the inspection area for final quality checks before numbering. Advanced sensors examine each note for misprints and alignment issues, ensuring perfection in every sheet.
Sheets that don't meet standards are separated immediately, maintaining strict quality control. Even with automation, trained eyes verify every detail, catching errors machines might miss.
Consistency in color and alignment is critical, so each note is checked meticulously.
Approved sheets receive an official mark, signaling they are ready for serial numbering. The final quality assurance team reviews bundles carefully, ensuring only perfect notes move forward.
Automated counters organize sheets by denomination, preparing them for serial numbering and bundling.
Every note receives a unique serial number, ensuring traceability and authenticity.
Machines count the notes into precise bundles, streamlining the packaging process.
Bundles are shrink-wrapped, keeping them secure and organized for distribution. Careful handling ensures that every crate reaches the packing area intact and ready for transport. The finished currency is carefully stacked and inspected, ready to be distributed across the nation. Each crate is inspected and sealed, guaranteeing that the currency is secure before leaving the factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.